If you haven't had the chance to watch my latest video titled "What Makes a Story Unforgettable," I highly recommend checking it out. And if you have watched it, hopefully you're wondering how we got Midjourney images to look amazing and totally consistent with the look and feel of the 1986 classic film Ferris Bueller. The secret most people miss isn't the prompt, it's the mood board. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use this feature to lock in a consistent style across all your generations. So, what is a mood board? Think of a mood board like a creative compass. Instead of copying one single photo's style, you upload a collection of images and Midjourney finds the DNA they share. It analyzes color palettes, lighting, vibes, and even the decade of influence. That means your next prompt inherits the feel of your board, not just the quirks of one image. Next, let's discuss how it works. Here's the step-by-step. Upload a folder of images that capture the desired tone. They provide cohesion without restricting you to a rigid copy-paste style. If you find yourself seeking more consistency in your creative outputs, consider using a mood board. It's the difference between chaotic experiments and a body of work that actually feels like yours. Midjourney scans for shared traits. When you type new prompts, those traits automatically carry over. It's like training your AI to think in your style without writing complex prompt jargon. Let's look at an example in action. Since our mood board features shots and images that parody one of the classroom scenes from the 1980s film, so when we typed teacher in a suit in a classroom, we got a classroom background, grainy, gloomy lighting clothes that fit the time period. That same candid, filmic 1980s look. That's the power. Your board whispers the style into every new image. And finally, why use mood boards? Mood boards aren't heavy-handed like a single style reference. They're about tone setting, perfect for film mood exploration, defining a brand identity, creating a consistent look across a project. If this helped, hit subscribe. I've got more Midjourney tips that will make your workflow faster, smarter, and way more creative.